So different teachers will do it differently, obviously, but the way I do it, if this is year 1 students, they are often seated in islands of 6, because we've got 30 children, so 6 is a nice number. So I will have 5 such islands. 6 is a nice number because they can work in pairs, sometimes in threes, and sometimes as a big group, but that's quite rare. So they often work in pairs, and they know that when they do whatever concrete things, it is in their groups. So the concrete materials are always there. In my class, I give them a role to play. So for example, one of them will be the material manager. So the material manager, if they are the material manager, the 5 of them will troop to wherever the 10 frames are and counters are and collect a tray for the 6 of them. So there are different roles. The common roles I assign them is material manager, so they're in charge of materials. The quiet captain. Oh, I think we are shouting. We don't really have to shout. We can just talk normally. That kind of things. So I just assign different roles to them. And on the days where I need them to report, I might have the spokesperson and different roles that you may assign. So they all know that that's where they do the work. And when they hear me say, sorry to interrupt you, whenever they hear me say that, they know that's a signal for them to leave their work and all come to the front. And in our class, we have little spots for them to sit. So they'll all sit at their respective spots. So they are not having concrete materials in front. So when they come to discuss it, the only concrete material they have is the one I have in front. So they are all focused in watching me model it, because they have done it already. Yeah. So that's the way I organize them.
If you enjoyed the video, then why not hit the like button? Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, to stay up to date with our latest videos. If you want to check out more videos, then click on the right to dive into another topic. Thanks for watching!